What's going on in Kentucky? 15 tourist spots you should visit. Tourist Spot 1. Louisville Mega Cavern. Visit to a huge illuminated cave. Guaranteed fun. This tour lasts 3 or more hours. Tourist Spot 2. Ark Encounter Williamstown. A full-scale replica of Noah's Arkansas. An unmissable tour for all ages. This tour lasts 3 or more hours. Tourist Spot 3. Keeneland, Lexington. Racecourse open for visitation. Check the event calendar to enjoy this tour even more. This tour lasts 3 or more hours. Tourist Spot 4. Maker's Mark, Loretto. Visit to an old distillery. This tour lasts 1 to 2 hours. Tourist Spot 5. Mammoth Cave National Park. Cave open for visitation with infrastructure and direct contact with nature. This tour lasts 2 to 3 hours. Tourist Spot 6. Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory. This famous baseball bat factory has an internal museum full of curiosities. Highlight for the giant outdoor bat. This tour lasts 1 to 2 hours. Tourist Spot 7. Lost River Cave, Bowling Green. Boat tour inside a cave. The watercolor and formations enchant visitors. This tour lasts 2 to 3 hours. Tourist Spot 8. Kentucky Derby Museum, Louisville. Museum with everything about horse racing. This tour lasts 1 to 2 hours. Tourist Spot 9. National Corvette Museum, Bowling Green. Corvette Museum. A must-visit for fans of the Corvette brand. This tour lasts 1 to 2 hours. Tourist Spot 10. The Big Four Bridge, Louisville. Iconic postcard bridge with lighting at night and during special events. This tour lasts 1 to 2 hours. Tourist Spot 11. Muhammad Ali Center, Louisville. Museum dedicated to the legendary world champion boxer Muhammad Ali. This tour lasts 1 to 2 hours. Tourist Spot 12. Castle and Key Distillery, Frankfurt. Castle-shaped distillery, a variety of beverages for tasting and shopping. This tour lasts 1 to 2 hours. Tourist Spot 13. NCM Motorsports Park, Bowling Green. Racetrack. If you are looking for speed, this is the place. This tour lasts 2 to 3 hours. Tourist Spot 14. Cumberland Falls State Resort Park, Corbin. Park with waterfalls and walking trails. This tour lasts 3 or more hours. Tourist Spot 15. James B. Beam Distilling Company, Claremont. Another old distillery for tasting the famous Kentucky beverages. This tour lasts 1 to 2 hours. Did you enjoy this video? Please subscribe to the channel, give a like, share, and comment.
Have you ever wondered what's going on in the world? Then come along with us to discover amazing curiosities and the most fascinating tourist spots on the planet. From the United States, with its iconic parks and vibrant cities, to Brazil, with its lush nature and unique culture. From mysterious Egypt and its ancient pyramids to Europe, with castles, charming cafes, and stories that span centuries. Here on the channel What Goes On in the World, you'll travel without leaving your home. Explore the unknown, learn surprising facts, and fall in love with every corner of the planet. There's always new content here to feed your curiosity and inspire you to explore. The world is way too big to stay in one place, so go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come discover what goes on in the world.